Guku nĩ kwa Kikuyu podcast. Kwĩna lineup ĩrarutirwo nĩ KTN atĩ ĩno kana United Opposition ũũ nĩguo mebangĩte thĩinĩ wa gĩthurano kĩa mwaka wa 2027. Na thĩinĩ wa lineup iria maheanĩte lineup igĩrĩ tofauti, no niĩ ta Kikuyu podcast ndiretĩkania nao biũ. Lineup number 1 ĩrauga atĩrĩrĩ atĩ Kalonzo nĩ flag bearer, Matiang'i atuĩke deputy, Rigathi wa Gachagua atuĩke prime minister, mũndũ ũgwĩtwo Martha Karua speaker wa bunge hau sawa, mũndũ ũgwĩtwo Eugene Wamalwa speaker wa senate hau sawa, na mũndũ ũgwĩtwo Mũturi atuĩke AG kana attorney general. Harĩ igũrũ Kalonzo president, Matiang'i deputy, Rigathi wa Gachagua prime cabinet secretary. I make sense. That's my point of view. Number 2, tondũ marutĩte maita merĩ, ya kerĩ ĩhuana ũũ lineup. Matiang'i president, okay, running mate wake Kalonzo Musyoka, prime cabinet secretary mũndũ ti Rigathi wa Gachagua, na gũkũ kũngĩ kũ-maintain ũguo. So mũnani atĩrĩrĩ, mũndũ ũkarũgama 2027 na either Matiang'i running mate wake akorwo Kalonzo, kana Kalonzo running mate Matiang'i, no deputy kana prime cabinet secretary atuĩke Rigathi wa Gachagua. Now guys, I don't agree na ũrĩa marauga. Gĩtũmi nĩkĩ? In every election we go, what matters is what you are bringing on the table. Number 1, tyranny of numbers. Number 2, ũtongoria kana power. Power ti kũneanwo ĩneanagwo. Power nĩ gwethwo yethagwo. Power ti kũneanwo nani ndũgĩũke. Power nĩ gwethwo yethagwo. Mũndũ ti Rigathi wa Gachagua ndangĩtuĩka prime cabinet secretary. Rigathi wa Gachagua it's either atuĩke president kana flag bearer kana running mate. Niki Rigathi wa Gachagua kwa numbers enacio, Mount Kenya region ina aikia kura aigana? Let's be honest, like 5 million votes. And now you want to tell me mundu urarehe irebe-inĩ kura milioni 5 na president agĩcinda? By the way, president shinda na kura cigana? Milioni 7 hau ũguo kana milioni 8. Uje mundu urarehe kura milioni 5 atuo prime cabinet secretary? Never. It can't happen unless ye are flag bearer ama awe deputy ama deputy president ama running mate, that is either president ama running mate. Number 2, ũngĩrora thĩinĩ wa politics cia Kenya thaa ici, kana ũngĩrora kuona thaa ici, no ũkuĩte opposition. Rigathi Gachagua nĩ ena opposition thutha wake, nĩ amekuĩte. Without Rigathi Gachagua aya andũ angĩ I don't think they can speak. I don't think they can no makorwo na hinya ũcio wa kwaria ũrĩa Rigathi Gachagua aragia. In fact, Rigathi wa Gachagua aroka ku expose maũndũ maingĩ marĩa makoretwo magĩkĩka ũrĩa mũndũ ũngĩ thĩinĩ wa opposition atangĩka. Opposition imebebwa na Rigathi Gachagua. Then you want to tell me huyu mtu awe prime cabinet secretary? Hayo ni mchezo bana. Hayo ni mchezo. Mundu ena namba nene ya andũ aikia kura. Mundu ũrĩa ũkuĩte opposition. Toa ũguo tu, tũngĩgia thĩinĩ wa election cia 2027. Ũyũ nĩye mwena-inĩ wa finance. Tondũ election cia finance nĩ cibatarĩkanaga mũno. Rĩngĩ akaruta share iria nene mũno. Then you tell me atuĩke prime cabinet secretary? Hapo enyewe tunadanganyana. Ona magĩingĩra thĩinĩ wa boardroom mathi mambie kwaria. It can never happen like that. Gachagua ndangĩthiĩ thĩ wa deputy president. Gĩtĩ gĩa prime cabinet secretary nĩ ku oversee uria cabinet secretaries wira uria mararuta. Rigathi wa Gachagua, he is a politician, not mundu wa guthi ati ku oversee andu arĩa angĩ maruta wira. He is a politician. Gĩtĩ kĩa deputy kĩendaga politician, gĩtĩ kĩa president mendaga politician. So tukĩingĩa thĩinĩ wa ithurano cia 2027, the fact is Kalonzo na Matiang'i nĩo rĩu makamenya nĩ atĩa, tondũ hii ũmwe wa Hayo atuĩke flag bearer, ũcio ũngĩ no nginya agatuĩka cabinet secretary. If one of them will be president kana tugo flag bearer, the fact is Gachagua ni agatuo deputy. So huyo mwingine ni ajipange awe prime cabinet secretary. That's what will happen. That's what will happen. So they have to prepare themselves. Let's be honest with each other. Because as I have told you, elections is about telling of numbers. Ndio kana kura milioni 5 na lumurona oya Gachagua agerete kuingira Western Mubadha goko naroko no ageria kurehe kura mwena uyu, then muje nduike prime cabinet secretary kaita na akiri njega, then power tikuneanwo eneanagu. I've told you, you've seen uria Rigathi wa Gachagua aretuma. The fact is, I've told you, na ndigumwira ungirona andu yake they have relaxed. Mundu ta Kalonzo yani wame relax, Matiang'i wame relax. Mundu urahurana muno ni Rigathi wa Gachagua, yet andu aya matirahurana muno. Mundu aenda agatuo ati atuike flag bearer, yet you are not fighting for it. Impossible. You have to fight for it. Matiang'i, if you want to be a flag bearer, wake up. You have to lazima utransverse Kenya yote, watu kujue, upinge huyu jamaa ndio upewe flag bearer. Power ni gwetho yethagwo. Kalonzo the same. You have to transverse Kenya yote, watu kujue. Si kama hivi tidaishi tokena tu Rigathi wa Gachagua ni US ni eko ni aria kaigwikana age matire igwikana kana eke maundu macio mothe afu ningi okay nengeria mundu wa uguo. No, these other guys lazima pia nao wajitume. That's fact men. No gina metume ama jamaa wengine lazima mjitume, wajitume pia wao igetha monekane atiriri ona mena hinya. But you know, most of them fear. Mundu agikwata na capital hau ni ho thina uri agafia hingo ringi election irakwiriria niguo arabata mbia muno, niguo arabata go transverse Kenya na mbeca ni ya shirikia mbere. Nikio urona mundu ta Gachagua agithi gwetha andu aya mangi muteithiriria financial inside of financial. So from my point of view, kesho shirutetwo ni KTN. From my point of view, haiwezekani. Haiwezekani. Hiyo haiwezekani. Gachagua tuike kia prime cabinet secretary. Let's be honest with each other. Haiwezekani. Hiyo ni noma. He's a politician. Imagine prime cabinet a politician. Gachagua can't go beyond. No. Dagethie the, not beyond. Sorry. Dagethie the wagete kia deputy president. Hiyo fact na hiyo mweke mahali na hii video you save it, you will come to need to use it mwaka 2027 na uguo neguo ma ya uhorori uri power tikuneanwo eneanagwo, power ni gwetho yethagwo. Ungiona uria Ruto etumire igetha tuike president mwaka 2022 ni etumire muno ororie Kenya yothe, atwire rutite bia makanitha-ini agetha power tikuneanwo eneanagwo. Niketa indozi na mundu ungi tondu ni transverse Kenya yothe ni orurite kila handu Sunday milioni ki kuhena mbeca kanitha-ini. He used to do that. You saw it. So power si kupeanwo ni kutafutwa. Matiang'i, tokeni. Kalonzo, jitoeni. Power ni kutafutwa. No riu hau waigera speaker wa National Assembly make Martha Karua inaweza kuwa fiti, by the way. That's very nice. Martha Karua speaker na hali National Assembly. Mr. Speaker, Mr. Madam Mr. Speaker sir, Madam Speaker sir, Madam Speaker, sorry, Madam Speaker. Iko poa. Eugene, speaker wa na Senate iko poa. Mundu gwitwo Muturi AG iko poa, but pale juu watatu hapa itakuwa noma. Hau ona maana ingia boardroom matikaigwana unless akina Hunye waingilie kati na watu wengine waenda wakaishi chini waambie, you know what guys, this hii kitu itaenda hivi, lazima u accept because we have elephant in the house, we have to defeat this elephant, so we must do this and this and this. Uone wokore woko neko Guikio podcast mwani manyu meko inyo mwana. Thank you, God bless you. It is what it is.